Hello everyone. How do you tone yellow hair and make it ash blonde? That's the subject of today's video. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Color, and in this short video I'm going to show you exactly how to tone away yellow hair and get it to ash blonde. Are you ready? Let's go. So the first question we need to ask is, why is the hair yellow in the first place? And the answer is, hair is yellow because it has not been lifted enough. It's as simple as that. As you lift hair, it goes from brown to copper brown to orange to yellow orange to yellow to palest yellow. And the less well you've lifted the hair, the more secondary pigments, the more yellow and the more orange you're going to get in your hair. And we get a lot of clients who say, I don't want to bleach, I just want to put in some demi, but that's not really the right way to tone hair. And you won't get a good result as a hairdresser doing that. And you won't make your client happy doing that. What we always recommend, therefore, is check your client's hair. And if you see that the hair is too yellow, basically it needs to be lifted more with a good quality bleach. And this is what level 10 should look like. It should be, at the backwash, it will look literally almost white. That's what it should look like. When it's towel dried, it will look like this. And when it's combed, it will look like this. So each time, depending on its condition, it's going to take the light differently. But very often trainee hairdressers, new hairdressers, don't bleach enough because they think they've got to level 10, but they haven't got to level 10. And that's why the hair's too yellow. Okay, so lift the hair all the way up to level 10 and all your troubles will melt away like magic. How do you do it? You have, of course, to use a good quality bleach. And this is where also some stylists make errors, because if you use an inferior bleach, A, it will not lift very well. And B, you will be forced to use strong developer to lift, screwing up the quality of the hair. So we always recommend Ugly Duckling use Bond Protect, and Brilliant Blondex, our state-of-the-art bleach, does contain Bond Protect built in. There's nothing to add. You can use it with 20 and 30 vol. You get a really great lift. It's very gentle. It produces a white, creamy bleach. You can apply it on your root area as well as your ends. Okay, so if the hair is too yellow and you can see that it's really, it's level 5 or level 6 or level 7, we recommend you bleach first and get it up, ideally to level 10. And that way your client will be truly very happy. Okay, let's suppose you bleach now, okay? Or let's suppose for some reason you don't want to bleach. Are there any go-to solutions? And the answer is yes, because we have some very strong, fast-acting toners. So I'm going to take you through that now. So first step is bleach, don't forget that. Second step is tone. And you remember the color wheel? Very often, if the hair is yellow or the hair is orange, you're going to end up using either a purple toner or a blue toner, okay? Depending on exactly where your hair is and exactly where you want to take the hair color to, okay? So I'm going to cover that now. So which toner do we use? As we discussed, if the hair is really too dark, you're absolutely going to have to bleach first, get it up, and then tone, okay? So you bleach with Brilliant Blondex, and then you would use Ugly Duckling's intense toners, which have a little bit of extra lift as well, okay? Let's suppose your hair is this color. What do you use? Well, we would recommend you use Ugly Duckling's intense toners again, because they do have lift, and they have a booster basically. So they're very good at kicking out yellow and getting the hair to a slightly lighter color without the use of bleach. So they're very popular in the market for that reason. They're basically pretty much the strongest toners out there. And you got a choice of intense silver, which is blue based, and intense pearl, which is violet based, depending on which color you want to get to exactly. What do you do if your hair is really well lightened? Let's say you did as I recommended and you got your hair to level 9 or level 10. In that case, you don't need the intense toners anymore. Use Ugly Duckling's regular pearl blonde and silver blonde toners. These are also very strong. They have a lot of pigment. They don't lift too much, but they do lift touch, and they will brighten your hair and get the hair to a very nice white ash blonde. Okay, so that's basically what you do. Now I'm going to tell you a few tips and tricks about getting the best out of your ugly duckling toner. Always apply on fairly dry hair if you can. Measure the hair color and developer correctly. The recommended mix is 1 part toner to 2 parts developer. Section the hair finely before applying. Make sure you have enough product and saturate the hair very, very, very well. And the first time round, use a brush, and the second time round, rub in with your fingers wearing gloves. Okay, so that's it. That's how you get rid of yellow hair. That's how you get from here to a really, really beautiful white ash blonde color. Follow these recommendations and you should be fine. Thanks.